Hi everyone, in this video I will explain tricky solutions to two problems. See one problem now. If the third, fourth, fifth and sixth terms in the binomial expansion of x plus p whole power n are respectively a comma b comma c and d, then c into b square minus ac by a into c square minus bd is equal to option A 3 by 4, option B 4 by 3, option C 5 by 3, option D 3 by 5. So can you do this problem? Pause the video, try yourself. After completing the problem, watch the video for the comparison. Try now. I hope you got the solution. Now see, general method is lengthy. I am adopting alternate method. See the procedure. Let us take some particular values for x and p. I am taking x is equal to p is equal to 1. Next I am taking n is equal to 5. Because the number of terms in the binomial expansion must be 6. So the minimum exponent of binomial expression must be 5. So I took n is equal to 5. Then you consider x plus p whole power n. So I took x is equal to 1, p is equal to 1, n is equal to 5. So given expression becomes 1 plus 1 whole power 5. So its binomial expansion, this is 5c0 plus 5c1 into 1 plus 5c2 into 1 square plus 5c3 into 1 cube plus 5c4 into 1 to the power of 4 plus 5c5 into 1 to the power of 5. Just I took the binomial expansion. So in the problem he had given a representing third term. So this is the third term of the binomial expansion. So I am writing here a is equal to, that is 5c2. You know the value of 5c2 is 10. And b representing fourth term. Therefore b is equal to, fourth term is 5c3. 5c3 means 10 only. Fifth term is c. Therefore c is equal to 5c4. 5c4 becomes 5 only. And d representing sixth term. Therefore d is equal to 5c5. That becomes 1. So just I calculated the values of a comma b comma c comma d. We have to calculate the value of c into b square minus ac by denominator a into c square minus bd. We want the value of this expression. C means I am writing 5, b square means I am writing 100, AC becomes 50, whole by A becomes 10, C square becomes 25, BD becomes 10 into 1, that is 10. Let us simplify now. 5 1 ja 5 2 times. 100 minus 50 becomes 50. 25 minus 10 becomes 15. Still 2 is there in the denominator. So it is 5 10 ja 50, 5 3 times, 2 1 ja 2 5 times. So after simplification I got 5 by 3. So the value of the given expression is 5 by 3. Therefore, I can say option C is the correct option. So this method is simple rather than the general method. So if you want general method, had given even general method, go through it. See, one more problem. Sigma k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 nck into nck plus 1 by k plus 2 is equal to dash. So these are the four options. Can you do that problem? Try yourself, pause the video, try yourself. I hope you got the solution. So instead of adopting general method, here also I am taking some particular values. Let us take n is equal to 1. Just I am taking n is equal to 1. So the value of the given sigma, I can write sigma k is equal to 0 to 0. This becomes 1ck multiplied with 1c k plus 1. Denominator is k plus 2. So summation is from k is equal to 0 to 0. That means we have to take only one term, k is equal to 0. So for k is equal to 0, numerator becomes 1c0 multiplied with 1c1, denominator 0 plus 2. 1c0 is 1, 1c1 is 1. So the value of given summation 1 by 2. Just to verify in which option we are getting 1 by 2. By verification, for n is equal to 1, first option becomes 1 by 1. For n is equal to 1, 3c2. For n is equal to 1, 3c3. 3c3 becomes 1. So this option is not correct option. For n is equal to 1, 1 by 1 plus 1, that becomes 1 by 2. For n is equal to 1, this is 3. This is also 3. 3c3 means 1. Therefore, I can say this may be correct option. That may be correct option. Now itself don't say that is the correct option. Now for n is equal to 1, 1 by n plus 1 becomes 1 by 2. This will become 2c2. We know 2c2 is 1. So here also I got 1 by 2. Therefore I can say this may be the correct option. Even verify even D option also. For n is equal to 1, 1 by 1 plus 1 becomes 1 by 2. This becomes 3, this is 2, 3c2. We know the value of 3c2 becomes 3. Therefore, this option is not correct option. So, for n is equal to 1, either B option may be the correct option or C option may be the correct option I got. To eliminate, go for the second trial. Just I am writing n is equal to 2. That summation becomes sigma k is equal to 0 to 1. This is 2ck multiplied with 2c k plus 1. Denominator is k plus 2. So k takes values from 0 to 1. So this is sigma. Expanding the sigma, I can say it is 2c0 multiplied with 2c1 by 0 plus 2. Just I wrote k is equal to 0, first term. For k is equal to 1, this becomes 2c1 into 2c2. Denominator becomes 1 plus 2. We know 2c0 is 1. 2c1 is 2 by 2. 2c1 means 2, 2c2 means 1, by 3. So common factor 2's will get cancelled. Taking LCM 3 plus 2, that becomes 5 by 3. So for n is equal to 2, the value of the summation becomes 5 by 3. Now let us see whether B option is correct option or C option is correct option. I am verifying the option B. For n is equal to 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, that becomes 1 by 3. For n is equal to 2, this is 5, this is 4, 5C4, 5C4 becomes 5. So I got 5 by 3. So this may be the correct option. Even check C. For n is equal to 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 becomes 1 by 3. For n is equal to 2, this is 4, this is 3. Therefore 4C3 becomes 4. But we want 5 by 3. Therefore option C is not correct option. Option B is the correct option. So instead of adopting the general method by taking some particular values for n, we are identifying the correct option. So if you want general method had given that method also, you go through it.